Hey everybody, welcome back to our videos. Today we're going to be working with the text tool in Acorn, and I have a blank template here of a boot. And what I'm going to do is use this. Let me get rid of my layer here. I'm going to use my text today to actually make art from it. So I'm going to grab my text tool and type out a letter and use the letter A. And I have a preset font that's a Celtic font. Remember, whenever you need to move your letter around, you're going to go to your move tool, which is up here on the left corner. All right. What I'm going to do now is I need to be able to change this letter into a shape so that I can twist it and move it around. I can't do that if it's still a font, so I have to right click on it, 2 fingers on the trackpad, and you'll get a menu that gives you the option to rasterize your shape. Rasterizing basically means that you're taking a font that can be manipulated and you're flattening it into one just basic shape. That's what we want to do. Click on that, and as you can see, you now have no bounding box. It's just a shape. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to go to my layers, down to rotate and transform, and I want to scale and rotate this shape. Make it a little bit larger, and let's spin it around. There we go. You can see as I started out with a font, now I'm creating sort of artwork from this. Okay, while I have it selected, I'm going to go ahead and Command C V, and that's going to copy and paste. Command C, Command V will copy and paste, and I'm going to do this one more time. So I did it twice. What I'm doing is I'm just kind of layering these over one another to create some sort of cool shapes. I want to, again, twist this around. So go to your layer, rotate and transform, scale and rotate. And I can kind of move that down a little bit. There we go. Okay, I kind of like what I have here. You'll notice that it automatically makes these different layers, which is really convenient because you won't move them all at the same time. All right, now what I want to do is I want to change this to where it looks like it's a little bit perspective, meaning it's coming at me or going away from me. You have another option under your layer menu, rotate and transform, perspective transform. Okay, oh, I was on the wrong layer, so let's go to the proper layer here. Here we go. Let's go to that one. I'm going to not apply. And let's try this one more time. Layer, rotate and transform, perspective. There we go. Now if I grab the edge of this and pull out, you'll see what it's doing is it's making it look like it's coming to me or far away from me. So let's get something kind of interesting going on. Why don't we overlap it like this? Grab my move tool. I'm just going to kind of bring it down. All right, so I'm getting some cool effects here. So you can see how I'm using just a normal font to create some really neat effects. Now, one trick is if you want to change the color of any of these, go up to your little fill tool, your paint bucket tool. Let's grab a color first. If you go to your paint bucket tool, you can fill in the colors just like you would do anywhere else by dropping those colors in. Make sure you're on the right layer. And I'm going to make this one a lighter blue. So let's go to a lighter blue. Kind of this blue right here. I'm just going to drop that in. Okay. And there we have it. So I'm creating some artwork on my boot using strictly font. That's what I want you guys to do for this project. Experiment with this. Excuse me, have fun with it and see what you can do with the layer, rotate, and transform tools that it gives you. All right, see ya.